Hey everyone, this is Rob with InVideo, and today I'll show you how to add a voiceover to your video with InVideo. To add a voiceover, please set the seeker position to the point on the video where you'd like the voiceover to start from. Then, click on the voiceover button and choose from the following options. Automated text-to-speech will automatically convert your text to voiceover for you. Import from My Uploads to use an already uploaded voiceover from your InVideo Uploads folder. Upload your voiceover. You can upload a pre-recorded voiceover from your local storage. And Record, where you can record your voiceover in InVideo. Please make sure that you permit your browser to record from browser settings before you record a voiceover. Once you've added the voiceover, it will get added on the timeline below the music layer and can be moved or edited according to your preference. And that's how you add a voiceover. If you want to learn more about how you can make the most of InVideo, or if you have any other questions, check out our help page at help.invideo.io.